A 1-2 punch for so many people in Florida, Jen.
Yeah, less than 2 weeks between Helene and Milton, bringing its impacts to the west coast of Florida. It is a Category 5 hurricane with 160-mile-an-hour winds, and it is not expected to remain a Cat 5 the entire way as it approaches Florida. It is going to weaken a bit as it approaches, but it will nonetheless be a major hurricane, minimum of Cat 3, as it makes landfall this week across the west coast of Florida. Right now, it is a Category 5 hurricane with 160-mile-an-hour winds, and it is forecast to continue to move to the northeast here, very close to the Yucatan Peninsula here of Mexico, but staying just north of it as a Category 5, a Category 4 by Tuesday afternoon and evening, then either a Cat 3 or 4 as it makes landfall right now very close to the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater, Sarasota area with 125-mile-an-hour winds. Right over Orlando, possibly as a Category 1, 2, possibly even 3 hurricane, then weakening as it moves into the Atlantic. But this is going to be a big problem for much of Florida, especially the Gulf Coast of Florida, with not only an incredible storm surge of up to 15 feet, but also flooding rain possible across much of the Florida Peninsula. And then you've got the winds on top of that. Heaviest rain moves in Wednesday through Thursday. Notice some rain possible along the Georgia coast, but far enough south from our area that Milton will not bring any impacts to North Georgia. Instead, we will have beautiful weather not only today, but the rest of the week. It is pretty hot, though. At least it will be today. 83 in Atlanta and Athens, 84 in Eatonton. That's already 4 degrees warmer than we were this time yesterday. And it's going to be a hot afternoon, forecasting highs in the upper 80s, around 87 by 3 o'clock this afternoon. Thankfully, not as hot tonight. It will be a little cooler than it has been, low 60s. So it will be a very refreshing start to your day tomorrow compared to the past several nights. And the afternoon, not too bad either. Lots of sunshine, not as hot. We'll get up to 80 degrees. And that trend of cooler weather continues by Wednesday. Highs in the upper 70s, 77 on Thursday. By Friday, highs will be in the mid 70s. So we are going to see a cool down this week. We're also going to see a ton of sunshine this week. And that cool down is not only for the afternoon temperatures, but those overnight temperatures will continue to drop. 63 tonight. We'll be in the 50s by Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And then by the end of the week, we'll see those low temperatures continue to drop to the low 50s just in time for the weekend.
Looks really nice.